So at the end of the day, good practice, or after you change your nose piece or whatever you want to do, is to apply a little bit of dielectric grease to the inside of the nose. To do that, we're going to simply twist off our nose piece adapter. We're going to unthread our electrode. And I want to take this supplied dielectric silicone grease, apply a liberal amount to the back side of the adapter, then we're going to install and do a couple twists and turns. That's going to help lubricate that internal O-ring seal. You can see when I take it off, there's a little bit of buildup on top of it. We'll just wipe that off, apply a little bit more, and work that in and back forth again. Now I would suggest doing this every day before you shut down, okay? Because not only are you going to do this, you're also going to install our protective cap to protect that ground pin from being damaged. So run your grease, make sure it's nice and lubed up for the next guy, put our protective nose piece on, and you can store this back in the box and not worry about damaging that ground pin. So at the end of the day, we're going to put our gun away. Here's how you take it off. You're going to take the blue, push in and pull out on the little black piece there. And again on the pressure, push in to pull out. Don't just yank or you'll rip the guts out. Then you're going to take the cannon plug, spin that off till it's done, and your gun is off the MSU.